Hello guys, welcome to my next class of discrete mathematical structure. In the previous class, we discussed some few problems based on basic logical connectivities. Now today, we are going to discuss based on tautology. Usually have one problem based on tautology. Now here, already written the board, tautology, contradiction and contingency. Now the question is arise, when you say consider the given compound proposition is a tautology or not. Now observe carefully here, I written one of the compound proposition. Yeah, because they are given this is a one compound proposition, this is another compound proposition. I have given a connectivity between the condition. Now when will we say that, when will we consider the given compound proposition is tautology? Once you construct the table, table means for truth table for the given compound proposition. Once you consider truth table for the given compound proposition. I told already how to construct the truth table. Observe how many primitives or components, different primitives or components are occur. Based on that, we are writing how many rows are occur in the truth table. That is, we already know that in the last few classes. Now here, once you construct the table, suppose the compound proposition say this 1 implies to 2. For all in this table, in this column, for all values are 1. Corresponding the primitives. What are the primitives? Have P, Q, R. Then we say that the given compound proposition is a tautology. Given compound proposition is a tautology, you are expecting in the resultant compound proposition column value must be having 1, 1. In all the cases corresponding the primitives or components. For example, I written one compound proposition on the board. Suppose you prepare a truth table for this compound proposition. Finally we are expecting the resultant compound proposition table column value must be a 1 corresponding for all primitives or components. For what are primitives or components are PQR. Then we say that the given compound proposition is a tautology. Instead of 1, suppose we get 0. We consider as is a contradiction. Once you prepare a truth table, the resultant compound proposition column value, we get 1, 1 in all the possible corresponding its primitives is called tautology. Suppose the resultant compound proposition value, we get 0 for all corresponding primitives or components, then we say that contradictions. Suppose we get the resultant compound proposition in the combination of 0 and 1, then we say that the corresponding compound proposition is a contingency. Before moving to the problem, again I am going to repeat once again. Tautology means we have to construct the truth table. In the truth table, we are expecting the compound proposition column value must be 1 for all possible corresponding components involved in the compound proposition. Suppose we get zeros in all the cases in that compound proposition resultant value 0 corresponding for all corresponding the components or primitives, then we say that is contradiction. Suppose we get is a combination of 0 and 1, then we say that the given compound proposition is a contingency. Now it is already written one problem on the board. The problem is verify that P condition with Q, condition with R. This is a one value. This is called what actually hypothesis, because they given a connectivity is conditional. Before arrow mark is hypothesis. After the arrow mark is conclusion. P condition with Q, condition of P condition with R is a tautology. Is a tautology. Yeah, I want to verify say tautology. No, usually they are not mentioning anything verify tautology. Better I have to go for truth table, because the verification truth table is very easy compared to other method. Other method is we are using laws of logic. We are going to consider later. Now, it's not mentioned anything in this problem. Therefore, what is the method I am going to verify is a tautology or not? You have to prepare a truth table. Keep in mind, it's not mentioned anything. Better I have to go verify whether it's a tautology or not using truth table. Now, first we have to, before you have to construct the truth table, I told number of times in the previous class, first you have to know how many components or primitives are there here. How many? 3. P, Q, R. Therefore, what we are going to write here? P, okay, yes, Q, and then R. Yeah. Now, before going to construct the truth table, first I have to know how many rows are expecting to construct the truth table. Now, each proposition having how many possibility? 2 possibility, either true or false. How many components, how many primitives are there? 3. 2 cube means what? 8. If you want to construct the truth table for this given compound proposition, how many rows are expecting? 8 rows. Keep in mind, whenever you want to construct the truth table, first you have to know how many rows are expecting in the corresponding truth table. Depends upon 2 power of number of different components or primitives occurs in the compound proposition. That gives us that number of rows are expecting to construct the truth table. Okay. 1, 2. Better I have to write it in the form of square brackets. 1, 2, 3 for my convenient. 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Okay, fine. Now I have to write all the possibility, permutation, combination. You choice. I am going to take 4 zeros first. After that, I am going to take 4 ones. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Next 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. All are 1. We can't expecting more than this. I think you know how to write. If you want to first, you take first 4 rows are 1. Choice of you. But my convenient, I choose P for all P. 4 values are 0, 0. Or 3 are 0. 1 is 1. Or maybe R is 1 or Q is 1. Or both are 1. Along with 0 for P. Yes, these are the 4 possibilities. Next 1. 1 only P1, both are 0, 1 is 1, 1 maybe R is 1 or Q may be 1 or both are 1. Means R are 1 we get. In the next step, first we have to calculate which value. P, no, what are the sub value one? First you calculate P conditional with Q. P conditional with Q what to calculate, and also I have to calculate P conditional with R. And also I have to calculate this one Q conditional with R. First I have to calculate for the sub values. P conditional with Q. What is P conditional with Q? You know that P conditional value is false. Only the case 1 to 0. In the rest of the case what happened is true. Now you choose first to these two. 0 to 0 is 1. 0 to 0 is 1. 0 to 1 is 1. 0 to 1 is 1. 1 to 0 is 0. 1 to 0 is 0. 1 to 1 is 1. 1 to 1 is 1. Please observe carefully. 0 to 0 is conditional statement. Only the case 1 to 0. Therefore 1. This also 1. This also 1. This also 1. Because first 2 rows. 1 to 0 is 0. 1 to 0 is 0. 1 to 1 is 1. 1 to 1 is 1. Okay. Next move to the next one. P to R. P condition with R. Means this one and this one I want to take. First column and third column. 0 to 0, 1. 0 to 1, 1. 1 to, 0 to 0, 1. 0 to 1, 1. 1 to 0 is 0. 1 to 1 is 1. 1 to 0 is 1. 1 to 1 is 1. I am going to repeat once again. Third and first column 0 to 0, 1. 0 to 1, 1. 0 to 0, 1. 0 to 1 is 1. 1 to 0 is 0. 1 to 1 is 1. 1 to 0, no, I did mistake. 1 to 0 is 0. So 1 to 0 is 0. 1 to 1 is 1. Okay, that's it. That's why you please verify it. 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0 is 0, 1 to 1 is 1, 1 to 0 is 0, 1 to 1 is 1. Okay, fine. Yeah. Q to R, second and third column. 0 to 0, 1. 0 to 1, 1. And then 1 to 0, 0. 1 to 0 is 0. 1 to 1 to 0 is 0. 1 to 1 is 1. Okay, fine. 0 to 0 is 1. 0 to 1 is 1. 1 to 0 is 0. And then 1 to 1 is 1. And again, I have to check for my requirement, my convenient. 0 to 0 1, 0 to 1 is 1, 1 to 0 is 0, fine, 1 to 1 is correct. 0 to 0 is 1, 0 to 1 is 1 only, 1 to 0 is 0, 1 to 1 is 1, okay, fine. And then I move to the this one, left hand side, hypothesis value, okay. Yeah. P conditional with Q conditional with R. For my convenient, I choose this as left hand side as 1. Okay, fine. Okay. Now, P this one, okay, and then Q conditional, it means sixth and first column. Sixth and first column. I will keep two hands, both the columns, then avoid the mistake. 0 to 1, 1. Okay. 0 to 1, 1. Okay. 0 to 0, 1. Okay. 0 to 1, 1. 1 to 1 is 1. 1 to 1 is 1. 1 to 0, 0. 1 to 0 is 0. 1 to 1 is 1. Now observe carefully. If you want to check once again, 0 to 1, 1. 0 to 1, 1. 0 to 0, 1. 0 to 1 is 1. 1 to 1 is 1. 1 to 1 is 1. 1 to 0 is 0. 1 to 1 is 1. Okay, fine. Now move to the right hand side. Hypothesis P conditional with Q conditional R, P conditional with R. The next is very easy for the conclusion. Compound proposition. This is a lot actually. It's two for our convenient. Okay, fine. Now P condition with Q. This is the thing. I am going to use different notation. P condition with Q. P these two columns only. Fourth and fifth column. 1 to 1, 1, fine. 1 to 1, 1. 1 to 1, 1. 1 to 1, 1, because the conditional is there in between that. 0 to 0, 1. 0 to 1, 1. 1 to 0, 0. 1 to 0, 0. 1 to 1 is 1. Observe carefully here. Now if you want 1 to 1 is 1, 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 0 to 0 is 1 only, 0 to 1 is 1, 1 to 0 is 0, 1 to 1 is 1. The next we are going to take, the next part is very easy, one conditional with 2. Yeah, you see, instead of writing the entire left hand and right hand side of the conditional, hypothesis and conclusion, for my convenient, I am going to choose this as 1, this as 2. Therefore, from this, now conditional, now one conditional with 2, one condition with 1. See, again we are going to take condition between these two. Okay, condition between these two. Okay, 1 to 1 is 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1. 0 to 0 is 1. Also, this also 1. Observe, this is our column value, truth value for resultant given compound proposition. What we get here in the last column 1 for all possible truth values of P, Q and R. For all possible truth values of P, Q and R, what we get in the last column is nothing but a resultant compound proposition. We get 1. Then we say that the given compound proposition is a tautology. The given compound proposition tautology, what we are expecting, the resultant compound proposition value must be a 1 for all possible corresponding truth values of components or primitives. Means here P, Q, R. This is a way to solve the problem by using tautology. Yeah, I solved one problem. My aim is, once you clear how to verify is a tautology or not, next easy to solve more number of problems by using truth table. In this class, only I discuss what's the definition of tautology, contradiction and contingency, and then I explain how to verify whether the given compound proposition is a tautology or not by using or by constructing truth table based on the corresponding components. Okay, thank you very much for listening my talk.